So this is a quick update on some changes in my NGL graphics library. Today I've added a new class called Image, as you can see here, and what that's done is abstracted away all of the image loading elements that I used to have in the NGL texture class and put them into this image class. And I've done this because when programming on multiple platforms, you may not necessarily want to use, for example, Qt. You may want to use a different image library such as ImageMagick or OpenImageIO. So at the moment I've implemented it so that we have a choice of the three. I will eventually add a few more. I'm beginning to combine some iOS stuff into the main branch, and it makes it a lot more flexible. So by default it will come ready to use QImage because that is our main development environment, so we don't have to do anything. And you can see here there's a image lib flag here and it says use QImage, and you see through here that it says if use QImage, then it will go through and just use the standard QImage loading here. And if I quickly build this and we run a simple demo that loads in a texture like this, you can run up and you can see the texture's been loaded nicely, and you see there's a little debug that says, actually in this case loading with ImageMagick because I haven't rebuilt the library. Let's just do that and rebuild, and I think, unless my text is wrong, it should, when I run it, yeah, you can see there loading with QImage. So if you want to use ImageMagick, you go through, you change the define there. You'll notice in the Qt file here it says ImageLib, use ImageMagick, and again, just to force the rebuild, we'll do another rebuild there, and see it's rebuilt. There's some warnings from that. If I run object demo here now, you can see it's loaded the image with ImageMagick, and if I go through and change the define again to use OpenImageIO, we'll just force another rebuild. You see now we've got the OpenImageIO code here ready to use, and when I run again, oops, let's rebuild. Let's rebuild there, run again, and you'll see now that exactly the same thing, but this time it's used OpenImageIO. So that's made it a lot easier to do various things. Then the next part is going to be modifying the texture class, because we're going to support several different compressed texture formats as well, and that will come in the next demo.